Then I'm what is the same. Debbie, then what is the same? What is the same?
Accept it in good faith. It is our awards, your awards, our Kenyan sisters. Tanzania, which one now?
It is for us Africans.
Africans.
Yes.
Do not feel bad though. This thing happened now. Next year might be you. Kakatawo. Security nebera wa.
Tight.
Nemu wida mchaba bubulutiki. Sema kwani. Kama saka nyinyi. Sema impira natusenda mu America. Nenga, congratulations. Anyway, na abasanyikide ku Angela Sama na Murido. Thank you for raising the Ugandan flag high. Chamani nyo. Abanayichere bangambe bayumba bagamba banaye Uganda abukamu bakubye kikono simanya abagenze konsasi basinga juju kati ndugamba ate kati banaye ebintu byakyuse ddi Abanigeria mutule ku wansi Uganda
banauli Uganda wandi bagambe mu Luzungu.
Dear our Nigerian sisters and brothers, please sit down now. This award deserves you win next time. It is Angela Sama's award now. Sit down, Oga. Sit. Mutuleko wansi. That means sit down. And we should come and celebrate. Like, oh my God! Akazungu bagenda batunga bakokana ngabana bakumwana waffe Angela. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
I'm so happy for you.
Happy too.
And we are so proud of you. All Ugandans are so proud of you.
Thank you.
Bana otukakasiza nti Uganda twetaaga ekifo kati ekyenjawulo ku maapu y'ensi yonna kubanga fe abalina omwana wangudde People's Choice Awards.
Thank you so much. I think simanyi gange goka.
Abagala amasiga gabakaba Angela asibakyakaaba mbogera bingi kumbe mwongera bululu baddiya namwe mukabe bagamba okukaba kwe kuliko naye abaana balunze eshufi Angela bane tukulonze
tukunzisa abantu balonze byaddala anti eno wiini yaffe nga tekuli kweyadde okwekubirako wansi
naye kakigenda kubeera kitya red carpet ontwala nkwate ekiteteeyi
nze sinababitegeera nkyali biimagininga sinabitegeera like kintu kisobola happening ate kitekinga time okiyingiza mu mutwe n'okunyiriza
kati kiyingize mu mutwe nti ngenda naawe okukwatira ekiteteeyi
okay
ebira binamena byera nali ngenda naawe kukwatira ekiteteeyi ati tugenda mu first class. You guys, Angela Summer right here, of course, the award winner, People's Choice Awards, Uganda.
Yeah, thank
Best
you so
TikToker.
much, guys. Thank you so much.
Category?
African Social Star. you so much everyone. Bana in Zimbabwe.
Our Nigerian sisters. Our Nigerian brothers.